My name is William Checkley, and I am a professor of medicine, international health, and biostatistics at Johns Hopkins. About 40% of the world's population still use stoves that burn biomass fuels, such as wood, dung, or agricultural crop waste for cooking. Use of biomass for cooking contributes to indoor air pollution in homes and may adversely affect how a child grows. In response to a request by the U.S. National Institutes of Health and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, we conducted a randomized trial of a liquefied petroleum gas stove, continuous free fuel distribution, and longitudinal behavioral messaging as a strategy to mitigate household air pollution and improve health. The trial randomized 3,200 households with pregnant women in 4 countries where biomass use is prevalent, half of which were randomly assigned to cook using unvented liquefied petroleum gas stoves, and the other half were asked to continue cooking with biomass stoves. Women were followed through birth, and their offspring were followed through their first year of life. We found that measurements of household air pollution from cooking, such as fine particulate matter, black carbon, and carbon monoxide, were substantially lower when households used liquefied petroleum gas stoves instead of biomass stoves in both the prenatal and postnatal periods. Indeed, the intervention reduced personal exposure to fine particulate matter to levels consistent with the World Health Organization Intermediate Target 1 for air quality guidelines. We then evaluated whether infants whose households cooked with liquefied petroleum gas stoves reduced the risk of stunted growth when compared to those whose households cooked with biomass stoves. Infant length was measured over the course of 1 year using a standardized approach. We found that the intervention strategy was not effective at preventing stunted linear growth in children. Although it's well recognized that air pollution is hazardous to health, the findings of this trial do not support the use of unvented liquefied petroleum gas stoves as a strategy to reduce stunting in the first year of life.